Hey guys, today in this video I am going to tell you about how to add files on monday.com. So if you're working on monday.com and you need to add files, this is the way to do it. Let me just open a project that I'm working on, a board. So for example, if I delete this column right here, and now if I have to add files, the column of files, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and then I can select files from here. And here I can add files from my computer, any document, from any link, from Google Drive, Dropbox, from Box, and from OneDrive as well. So imagine I am adding this. Let me add something right here. So I'm going to add the screenshot as an example to show you. So here you go. I've just added the screenshot. And this is the way you can add files, column, and files as well in monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. I'll see you with more.